Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Amy from Sonic the Hedgehog. So first let's get started in towards the top center of our page, and we're going to come over to the right, and we're going to start by drawing a curved line that arches around and then out. Let's come further down again, and we're going to curve this line around, and we're going to bring this further down this time. And then one more time, we're going to step down and we're going to curve this line around and then bringing this directly down towards the bottom. Let's connect these together now. So starting in the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then out. Starting on the left-hand side in the corner here, we're going to curve this around, joining it on that line, extending it slightly further. And then one last time, we're going to come up towards the top and we're going to curve this around and then down. Now let's draw in our ears. So we're going to leave a small gap on the right hand side and we're going to curve this line around and then up. And now flipping over to the left, we're going to start underneath this fur here and we're going to curve this around and then up. Starting in the corner now, we're going to curve this line around and then in, and then we'll replicate that as well on the left. In the center now, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line from left to right, and we'll replicate that on the left hand side. Moving up above, we're going to curve this line up and then in, and then starting in that point, we're going to curve that back around and then down. Let's close off the top now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then across. Let's flip over towards the left. We're going to draw a curved line, arching that over and in. And then we'll continue to extend this behind, curving that around and then out. Now let's draw in our eyes. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the right hand side. Let's move down and draw in the nose quickly. So in the center, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. And then moving up above that, again, we're going to draw in another sideways oval. On either side now, we're going to curve this line down to close off the top of the nose. On the right-hand side now, we're going to curve this line up and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. So we're going to curve that out, arching that around and then bringing that in towards the middle, blending that together. Let's close off the rest of the eyes now. So on the right hand side on the top, we're going to curve this line out, bringing this all the way over and in towards the side. And then we'll do the same thing on the left, continuing to extend this behind, curving this around and then in towards the side. Let's draw in the eyes now. So starting underneath, we're going to draw in an oval, curving this down, up and then in, and then we'll do the same thing on the left hand side, curving this down, up and then in. On the left hand corner, we're going to draw in a small oval for the highlight, and we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left hand side, lining that up at the same height. In the middle, we're going to draw in another oval for the pupil. Now let's draw in our mouth. So in the center on the left hand side, we're going to come further over, curving this up. We'll come over to the right, leaving a gap, replicating that. On the top, we're going to connect this together with a curved line from left to right. And then on the bottom, we're going to connect this together with a nice big arch line, bringing that up on the right. And now for the tongue, we're going to draw another curved line, arching that up in the center and then back down. Let's draw in the eyelashes now. So on the top right hand side, we're going to curve this line up. Let's flip over to the left, lining that up at the same height, and we'll replicate that. From this corner now, we're going to curve this line back around and then in on both sides. Let's drop down now. We're going to curve this line around and then up on both sides. And then starting in that corner, we're going to curve this back around and then in. above now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. We'll continue to extend this through behind our eyelashes on either side. And now from here, we're going to continue to curve this line around, past our mouth, and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side, curving this around, and then in. From here at this point now, we're gonna curve this in towards the cheek from both sides. And then we'll continue to extend this up and in towards our eye. Let's move underneath now, moving over towards the right. We're gonna curve this line around and then out. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. So we're gonna curve this around and then out. And now in the corner, we're gonna curve this up towards the side, replicating that over on the left. In the middle, we're gonna curve this line around and then in. And then starting in the center, we're gonna curve that back around and up. And that is it. That's how you draw Amy from Sonic the Hedgehog for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.